Sending money to Ghana shouldn't be a hassle, and with TapTap Send, it doesn't have to be. First, let's dive into using the TapTap Send app. If you don't have it already, download the TapTap Send app from your phone's app store. It works on both iOS and Android. Once installed, open the app. The app's home screen should clearly show a big Send Money button. Tap that to get started. Next, select Ghana as your destination country, then enter how much money you want to send, and you will see the exchange rate and equivalent in Ghanaian cedis. TapTap Send is transparent and will show you the fees up front. Now comes the important part: recipient information. You'll need their full name, mobile phone number, and bank details. Be sure to get this exactly right to avoid delays. Double-check the details. TapTap Send supports mobile money transfers to several mobile money providers in Ghana. Confirm which one they want to receive the money through. Select your payment method. Usually a debit card or credit card. Follow the prompts to securely enter your payment information. Review your transaction details. Once confirmed, tap Send. You might need to verify your identity to comply with financial regulations. After that, voila! The money is sent you and your recipient will receive confirmation messages. And that's it. TapTap Send makes sending money to Ghana simple, fast, and secure. Sharing is caring, so be sure to help your friends and family by sharing this video. For more details, including current fees and limitations, check the TapTap Send app or visit their website. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the benefits of international money transfers.